Why people are choosing this $139 drone over established drone brands. There's a tiny Canadian drone company that made a groundbreaking new drone, and it's taking the quadcopter market by storm. Big drone companies are trying their hardest to ban this drone in Canada. Rather than buying a $1,000 drone from a well-known brand, this $139 alternative is making drones fun and exciting again. The drone uses extremely advanced flight control technology that allows you to take breathtaking shots, crystal clear and steadier than ever. And best of all, it's super easy to fly right out of the box. What's interesting about this drone is that it was developed by my team and me. I was actually present at the biggest drone company as head of the R&D department, where we designed drones with cutting-edge technology. But 2 years ago, our company was acquired by a large corporation, and everything changed. Huge budget cuts in our department made innovation impossible. They started using cheaper materials in the manufacturing process. But the board kept demanding higher profits, so they outsourced everything to China. At the same time, they upped the prices for the customers. Our premium drone model only cost $87 to manufacture, but they sold it for $3,399. A few colleagues of mine agreed these shady practices were wrong, and together, we decided to fight back. And I'm happy to say we did it. We founded an all-Canadian-owned company, making premium drones at an affordable price. And our newest model is currently breaking all records on the drone market. It's called the Aero quad drone. Designed right here, it's packed with cutting-edge technology, like the Follow Me feature that lets you take amazing videos without using the controller. Its advanced GPS functionality means it can track your location within 3,000 feet and return to you automatically. The collision detection function prevents accidental crashes, making this drone the toughest quadcopter ever produced. The Aero quad drone has a compact and foldable design, perfect for taking on a hike up in the mountains. Thanks to the gimbal stabilizer, the camera can tilt in any direction to get the perfect shot. We've gotten tons of positive reviews from people who use it to take beautiful shots of their surroundings, and others who just love to fly it in their backyard. Thanks to its Ultra HD camera, this drone is perfect for immersing yourself in nature in the most unique way. What's really cool about these Aero quad drones is that they have built-in altitude sensors, which allow you to remain stable while you hover, making flying easier and more exciting than ever. Everyone can fly the Aero quad drone, and it works right out of the box. Big drone companies literally sell these types of drones for $2,000 or more. The only reason they are charging that much is that they have to spend huge budgets on advertising and big boss bonuses. But we don't spend a dime on anything like that. That's why we are able to sell it for $210. And if you click the button below right now, we are offering a 33% discount for first-time buyers. So you can get one of these premium drones for only $139. Click the button below right now and get your own Aero quad drone with 33%